Hello. Hi. Lena. Long time I not talk to you now. Where you there? Oh my gosh. Me miss you, girl. If you call me, you just dash me away. How you dash me away, sir? Oh my gosh. You know what happened? Me I call you to tell you about some big thing what happened in my life just this last weekend that passed. Me I set up one little barrel to send and my family because me there up a foreign right now, you know. This is when me there up a foreign. So me I put together one little barrel before me leave so me can send it down. Right? And I have some family members here, you see, who's just like crosses. Me can't stand them. I asked them to take me around at the supermarket, right, to pick up some sitting for my family. You know, Jamaican. So me tell them, so me want rice, and me want some of the food them having at the can them, and them have some macaroni thing and noodle. You know, them have some nice Chinese noodle where tastes nice. So me want to send that down and pick up some flour and all of that sitting there. You know, me tell them how long ago to take me, right? You know, say me I leave tomorrow and me not reach at the store yet. Me not reach at the store yet. So me have the barrel half full because me go down a one road named Office Road and me pick up some shoes and me put in the barrel. All different sizes, you know, for people if they want to buy it, or me I go give some of the kids them round the corner, you know, just as a nice gesture because me they're preparing now for all over a month. Sorry, but so me can't go back home empty-handed. You know, that's not nice. So anyways, I was asking my family from how long to take me over to the supermarket and me pick up sitting them. Every day it's one different excuse, you know. So me and my cousin all catch up. We catch up, you know, because me just upset now. Oh, them just a laga and just act so like a daisical and them not take me where me need to go. I am a guest here, you know. I am a distinguished woman. You know, I don't come on people yard and want act like one burden upon them, you know. Me not like feel like, you know, me just a burden them down with when me ask them to do something. So me just feel so bad now. Me never mention it again. But me don't know what them think. Them see the barrel they right in front of the door and the barrel empty. And them know me I leave just now. And nobody not say, you know, you want to go to the supermarket or you want to go anywhere to pick up something to put in a barrel. But all I have to call people them to pick up a barrel to send it. Because it take weeks. You know, they got go put it on the port and send it off. And it take weeks, so I need to speak to somebody now about it. But me the barrel no full and me I leave in a couple of days. So I don't know what to do, Lena. You know, them too bad mind. Them bad mind, because them say me I pick up a little sitting them with a little change. Me have me work my money. Me work at a blood bank in a Jamaica and me make my money, me see what my money if it come up a forehead. Me not ask them for nothing, you know. Me not ask them for nothing. I will go outside. Me take up my own money and buy my own food for heat when me go heat out. You know, me not scrape up, me not just sit down and wait upon them. You know, me not burden them because that's not the kind of woman I am. You know me. You know, so them just too bad mind. And when them come round me, both them love me, and when me I leave and I hug me, they go run them. They're going to run them, they're going to move. Because when me didn't need, you don't come true for me. You see, me have a barrel and sit down here all long. And nobody not say, let's pick up something and put on a barrel for the people that in Jamaica. Everybody forget about Jamaica when them come up a foreign. I said, team, you know. And I'm just so mad, I don't know what to do now. I'm just thinking I'm going to call a taxi. I asked them to take me to a supermarket, of course the supermarket around here. And just go get me sitting there myself. Me not depend on nobody. I make them come back and see the barrel full. And if them ever lift up the lid for look where me buy in and put in there, me lick them. You know what I mean? Them have one little root pit in the ear too, you know, I'm not listen. It just I get on my nerves. Me can't sleep every minute I open up the door. I open up the door. Me I change him and open the door and I laugh. Me frightened. Me say, Me call out to him mother and me say, listen, him not listen, him open up the door, him come in the bathroom and me a beard. I open up a shower and look at me and laugh. I say, excuse you? Who is you? You're a little boy, you must know your place. Don't come be rude when people in the bathroom, you must have manners. Me call out the mother, me tell the mother not listen. She just act she not hear. I don't know them run, how them manage them picnic up here, you know. Them different. Them different from in Jamaica. In Jamaica, them sitting there not go on. You know? Anyways, Lena, I'll see you very soon, honey, darling. I'm coming home, and we will talk. All right, honey. Love you. Bye.